Na-pressure ako sa'yo.
Ayan, go. Okay na. Ay, meron. Ian, first time mo na ganitong tema, yung about drugs.
Yes, it's my first time. Well, hindi naman. Kaya lang, pinatanda ako dito ng konti. Yung character. Kaya gusto ko yung role na to kasi hindi siya pa-cute, hindi siya kailangan, it doesn't need to look it. Thank you.
And inspiring yung role mo, di ba?
And yun nga, napakabigat lang talaga ang dali ng emotionally ang hirap gawin ng trabaho.
Sir, first time
Naapektuhan ka?
Oo naman. Every day on the set.
Nadala mo siya sa bahay?
Oo, hindi. Dala mo talaga yun. Kunwari, katulad ngayon ako, matagal na kami hindi nag-shoot, tapos na kami. Pero nung napanood ko yung trailer, parang bumabalik na naman sa akin yung memories of Father Tom. And merong nagigising emotionally na a part of yourself na gano'n. So, mabigat siyang dalhin kasi nga mabigat yung kwento eh.
And naalala mo yung mga parang humihingi nga ng tulong sa'yo, ng mga gantong addict, meron na ba?
Exactly. Sa tunay na buhay, wala. Pero, a part of our brain cannot distinguish between reality and fantasy. So when you do a role, you do it deep enough, I feel that a part of your brain doesn't realize that it's just a role. So nandyan pa rin. So emotionally, naapektuhan ka pa rin. So yun lang masarap. Na-enjoy ko din as being an actor because I discover so many things about myself also. And I'm compelled to have different perspectives. Hindi lang yung perspective ko as a person, kundi nakikita ko din yung perspective of the characters that I play.
But when you hear na merong mga co-celebrities mo ang nalululong din sa drugs, how do you feel?
Heartbroken. Obviously, and it's scary. Pero kailangan talaga ng mahabang conversation about that because from the perspective of people, oh my God, Tita Asta, from the perspective of people na naging biktima, for example, ng mga drug addicts, syempre iba yung perspective nila. It's more punishment. From the perspective naman of people na from the other side, it's rehabilitation and how to balance that, and it's complex. There's no simple solution there. That's why we're here to ask questions and offer different perspectives, and hopefully eventually mas maganda yung mga policies and systems that we are able to come up with in our country.
Sir, first time niyo ba role ng ipare? And di ba nag-action kayo before? Or?
I think may mga role na ako na pare dati pero mga guestings lang for TV and stuff.
Pero ito yung parang full-time.
Yes, tsaka ito yung ganon ka-emotionally immersive.
Pero nung bata ba kayo, hindi pumasok sa isip niyo na maging pare? O parang ganon?
Dumaan din sa utak ko, alam mo, maraming dumaan sa utak ko nung kabataan ko. And up to now, I'm still searching for, there's a part of me still searching for asking the philosophical questions about our existence, about why am I here, blah blah blah, and different belief systems. So nagagamit lahat yun sa trabaho ko.
First episode pa lang to, may aabangan bang mga action scene din sa inyo dito?
Nako,
sa mga susunod na mga episodes.
Itong first episode, yan establishing lang. Pero maraming layers pa na mangyayari. So, excited akong mapanood din yun.
Na-miss namin yung action niya after Incognito. Ito parang balik uli kayo sa action.
Oh, pero ito hindi action. Hindi ako action dito. Ano talaga to? Ano bang tawag nila? Bagong genre.
Thriller.
Prestige drama.
Wow!
I like the sound of it. Di ba? Prestige drama. It's a new genre or something.
Iyan, naputo lang ako kanina. Dun sa mga co-actors mo. Agree ka ba kung, di ba dati nagkaroon parang proposal na magkaroon ng random drug testing
Sa mga artist.
sa mga artista?
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ako expert pagdating sa implementation of anything that has to do with drugs because ako lang personally hindi ako umiinom ng alcohol. I have nothing against people who drink alcohol pero ako lang hindi ko hinahanap kasi So hindi ko alam yung perspective. For example, some people use it for mental health, for physical health, for whatever. I'm not an expert at it. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know the answer to your question.
Pero may idea ko kung how to resolve yung drug problem among celebrities. May suggestions ka since portraying the role na nakatulong ka sa mga addict?
Whatever the solution will be, I hope it is born from compassion and humanity, not out of force.
Iyan, medyo controversial yung role. Meron ka bang yung yung show? Meron ka bang hesitation sa pagtanggap ng role na to kasi baka makakuha ka ng negative comments from viewers na
I'm sure hindi naman, siyempre kasama yun. Hindi naman, kahit anong project gawin mo, meron namang negative comments somewhere, artista ka. So, yun. Pero ako, paramdam to talaga, we had to tell this story because parte na ng kultura natin to. Parte ng tayo, pagka-Pilipino, pinapakita doon yung buhay ng mga tao. Tsaka yun yung perspectives. Pero wala tong kinikilingan na political side or ako I'm personally not interested in political personalities. That's why I've never been associated with politicians, for example. We're storytellers and it's our job to share these stories.
Pero personally, anong stand mo sa war on drugs nung panahon ni P. Duterte? Yung nauso yung mga tokhang.
As I've said, ako wala akong personal experience. Pero marami ka narinig iba-ibang kwento, pero iba-ibang perspectives. And kaya gusto ko din gawin tong movie na to para ipakita yun yung iba-ibang perspectives na kasi lalo na ako, how can I talk about drugs? I have no basis. So, we have experts, psychologists, and law enforcement who are experts at it. And ito, gusto ko rin mapanood nila para makakita rin sila ng iba-ibang angulo and maybe find better solutions.
Wala ka naging kaibigan lumapit sa'yo na nalulung din sa drugs?
Na humingi ng tulong sa akin? Wala, kasi siguro inisip nila i-judge ko sila because ako hindi ako
Wala si
involved
Direk
sa
Lino
drugs.
pumasok sa ganun.
So wala naman.
Nandiyan